All right, so I'm back. I'm gonna be pulling this carb off today. And I'm gonna be replacing it with one that I've seen on many forums. A couple videos like for SSRs and stuff like that. Carb I went with is a Replica Mikuni. They don't say Mikuni on them anymore, but they used to. There's the mixture screw. Actually has bolts, so you can take it apart, put new jets in, but we're gonna go ahead and throw it in. Filter. This is very hard to do with one hand for some reason. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this off. Looks like there's some type of vacuum hose right there. So I'll leave that hanging for now because I might need to reuse that. Next, I will remove the fuel line. Wow, these are actually really easy. All right, so I did that with my finger. Fuel will 100% drip out of this. I'm just gonna rig it up right there. Okay. This is your little overflow. Just gonna pull that out of there. All right, so now all I have to do, pop this off, pop that off. You guys can't see it, sorry. 2 bolts here, it'll take everything off. And then the last part of that is your throttle cable, which I am replacing. I don't know if I'm doing it today or not, but see, I got this off. I gotta take these off and I'll be right back. All right, so needle's off. Carb is fully off. I did get a new throttle assembly. I got one of the very hypersensitive ones. I don't know if there's a real difference, but I did it. It's like billet aluminum. It's really nice, honestly. So next step, I'm gonna go ahead and take this off. All right, so as you can see, got those bolts out. Needle should pull right out. Carb is out. It is a Jing K. Oh, leaking gas. Just throw down a rag. Put this there. There's no mixture screw. And as you're gonna see on the new one, there will be one of those mixture screws. So I'm gonna leave this gasket as is. I'm gonna leave this as is for now. Actually, I am gonna take the needle off. So let me pull that off and then I'll be back. All you're gonna do for this is you got a bolt here, loosen that up, and then you get a bolt down to the bottom, loosen that up, and then this should just slide right off. Okay, throttle is off, and then all you do is you pull your cable through. And I mean through is in through there, pull it up, and then you're done. So I'll be right back. Okay, so after some trial and error, I can't use this. Pulls the throttle cable too much. I'll have to figure something else out, so that's just gonna sit on the shelf, but I have the stock throttle back on with my Pro Taper grips. This is gonna be the first start. Turn the gas on. It was on when I was trying it with the first throttle. I haven't tried it yet, so here goes nothing. I'm gonna get up here so I can get a pretty decent kick. Oh my God. Oh wow. All right. I'm not gonna do too much right now because it's a little late, but that did it for sure. Choke isn't even on. It's like 40 degrees out. So that's the new carb. And what I did with the air fuel adjustment screw, I believe it's somewhere, I'm down there. And what I did was turned it all the way tight and then backed it out 1 3/4 turns, and the thing runs great. I can't wait to do a review of, you know, riding it, seeing how it feels. So I guess I'm gonna end this one there. Everyone, you know, let me know how you feel. If you guys want to see anything done to this, drop it in the comments and I'll do it. Yeah, so that'll conclude today's video. Like and subscribe. I'm gonna be putting videos out on this pretty soon. This is my E34. It's an M20 turbo. I'll either have, you know, cheap dirt bike guys or BMW guys, so, or both. But yeah, videos to come on this. And this is the little fun guy right here. So, all right, guys, peace out.